Auto Alarm Specialist.
Okay, this is a 2018 Honda Accord. We went ahead and added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm because of the rim theft and airbag theft. And also we gave her the notification text alert, and it also has GPS. So in the event that she's far away from the vehicle, if anybody tries to bust out the lug nut locks or they try to break into her car, the alarm will fire off. Let me go ahead and illustrate that right here. Text message should be popping in a few seconds. Meanwhile, while we're waiting, basically what they do to this car, they always break in and steal the airbags. And see, the text came in already. Okay, that's the push notification. We also do the bypass on the door, so in the event that somebody tries to bust out the keyhole, it will not shut off the factory alarm. The kit does that, so prevents anybody from breaking in.